Hi, I'm Bill Talbot with CA Technologies, and I'd like to show you how CA Technologies and NetApp are working together to help our customers deliver more agile, dynamic IT services and make the transition to cloud computing. CA and NetApp understand that building an on-demand IT infrastructure is a journey, and we found that many of our customers face significant challenges as they make this transition, including needing to centralize management across disconnected technology silos in order to gain better end-to-end service visibility, wanting to standardize how IT services are delivered and managed, including storage, based on business priorities and customer requirements, and overall wanting to become more agile and efficient to meet the demands of the business. To address these challenges and support our customers' need for rapid service delivery, several NetApp storage management products have been tightly integrated with CA Technologies' service automation and service assurance solutions. In this short demo, I'll show you how our CA Automation Suite for data centers tightly integrates with the NetApp on-command management software to enable you to increase storage efficiency and reduce storage management costs. But first, let's take a quick look at how these two solutions work together conceptually. Using the NetApp On-Command Storage Service Catalog, an IT admin would define and create the storage configurations and service levels to be made available to users to self-select. In this example, a storage architect has created different gold, silver, and bronze storage service levels and standard configuration policies for two different internal user groups. These NetApp storage service offerings govern storage fulfillment and ongoing management according to attributes such as performance, availability, security, and data protection. Next, an authorized user would select the storage service he wants to deploy and where, and then the CA Automation Suite for Data Centers solution orchestrates and automates the entire provisioning process, including server and storage, based on the pre-established service levels and configuration policies. Now, let's have a quick look at how this actually happens. We're now logged into the CA Automation Suite for Data Centers solution. In today's highly dynamic business environment, your users want to be able to provision what they need when they need it, not have to follow a rigid and lengthy requisition and provisioning process. They also want the flexibility of being able to provision resources through a single, simple graphical interface or via a hands-off automated workflow process if they choose. Let's look at a few examples of how this on-demand flexibility and automation can be achieved with the combination of CA Automation Suite for Data Centers and the NetApp on-command management software. First, let's look at an example where we're in the process of provisioning a service for an end user that is based around a virtual server, when we discover that there is not sufficient storage. So we want to add a new data store immediately. First, we give the new data store a name, and then input how much storage we want to add. Next, we select the storage service level that the storage admin had previously set up using NetApp on-command. In this case, we'll select the gold storage service, which can represent a premium level of performance, data protection, or any other service-oriented attribute. Next, we select the protocol to use to deploy the machine. Then we can review the summary page, confirm the details, click Finish, and begin to launch the host machine. Once the host machine is launched, we would continue on to complete the provisioning of the storage to the new virtual machine that has just been provisioned. And you can now see that we have new storage available. The nearly 1.5 gigs shown here is for demo purposes only. In a real-world production environment, an admin would usually deploy much more storage, with hundreds of gigabytes being common. Enterprise and large service providers need heterogeneous support, so deploying both physical and virtual resources consistently and from a single interface is critical to meet their business needs. So let's look at how you would provision storage to a physical server. You would basically follow the same process as just shown for provisioning a virtual machine. First, you enter your username and password, then select how much storage you want to add. Again, we'll add 2 gigabytes for this example, and then select the appropriate storage service as previously defined using NetApp on-command. This time we'll select the bronze service, which could represent provisioning data placement on a different class of resources using a different data protection model or other such storage technology attributes. Then we select the deployment protocol, enter a username and password, and then review the confirmation request to make sure everything is set up correctly, and then click Finish. You'll see that the new storage is provisioned to the physical box in just a matter of seconds. As you can see, users will experience a consistent approach to provisioning, whether deploying physical or virtual servers, which will help them save time and reduce errors. Finally, let's look at how an admin could automate the entire end-to-end provisioning, including compute, storage, and networking components. This automated workflow process is achieved using the integrated CA process automation solution, through which you can define and automate just about any process in order to save time and reduce errors. You'll see that we've already set up and created an automated process for provisioning a VM with a new data store, just like in the first example shown. These actions can be kicked off automatically based on policies you define or rules you configure, such as provisioning more storage when a critical threshold is reached, or doing so on a regularly scheduled basis. For the sake of the demo, we'll run the process now. You'll see when we switch over to the process automation view, and we can see this in a very easy to follow workflow view, that the process has been launched, the new data store is being created, the new VM is being provisioned, and finally a notification was automatically sent saying that the new VM and data store were provisioned successfully. What's key to take away from this demo is that everything I just showed you can be done inside of one solution: the provisioning of the server, either physical or virtual, the storage, and appropriate service levels. You have end-to-end control and visibility over the entire service provisioning process, and you can use intelligent automation to speed up the provisioning process and deliver services to your end customers faster. Together, CA and NetApp deliver the end-to-end service visibility, control, and automation you need to become more agile in meeting your business's demands for better and faster service delivery. By cataloging and aligning storage services with your business's SLAs, and by standardizing and automating storage provisioning, you'll be able to lower costs, reduce errors, improve utilization, and deliver faster response to service requests. To learn more about our integrated service management and automation solutions, please visit these websites. Thank you for your time.